been lucky enough to be invited to the Sandvik facility in Finland near Tampere. Jani, you're running this system. What are you making here, first of all?
Well, we make rock drills in this factory and for mining equipment.
And I heard they are the world leaders in rock drills.
Yeah, we produce obviously the best rock drills in the world.
That's a bold statement though. Why are they world leaders?
Well, it's the most reliable rock drill, so that's the main thing.
Okay, and you've integrated this fantastic FastM system, which we could see behind you, and all around the factory.
Yep.
Why have you used FastMs?
Well, obviously, FastMs has very good solutions. We can basically run some part of our factory 24/7 with the FastMs automation solutions, and many spots we also run unmanned night shifts. And then we have these kind of standalone machine cells which are fully integrated as well to this manufacturing system called MMS. And then we have actually a full door-to-door solution as well. So, so when we receive all the materials, we put it into the system, and then it goes through the machining, it goes through the assembly operations, testing operations, and so forth, and then we do the shipment as well. So,
so
we have a
fully automated,
fully system with this MMS.
And FastMs work very closely with you. So you mentioned the MMS, that is manufacturing management software.
Yes, that's correct.
We'll come to that in a moment though. Behind you is the FMS, is that correct?
Yes.
And what is that?
Well, that's a flexible manufacturing system. So that's the automated part, which we can run basically 24/7, and we have connected machine tools in that system. So, and we produce basically body parts for our rock drills with that.
So in simple terms, billets going in, controlling all the tooling as well?
No, we don't have tools here because those are integrated with the machines cells, but we have tool management system though, which is part of the FastM's solution.
Okay, so how does the FMS actually work then?
Well, basically we have operators who put the raw materials into the system, so we use it for we have logistical operations there, but we have also the so-called machine tools integrated to the system. So our machine tool operators, they load the pallets, they put it into the system, and then it controls the overview of the machine tools, and then we have also the tool management of the machine tools itself is in this MMS system.
Okay, so the FMS then ties in with the MMS to ensure that you can run 24/7.
That's correct.
So what happens, for example, if there's maybe some material missing, or it's short, or there's tooling that's not available or broken? This controls it all?
Yes, that's correct. So basically it tells if the tool is coming to the this kind of pre-warning limit, or you need to do this kind of maintenance for the tool, so it tells that for the operators. But then we also, if we have a material is lacking, so that is also highlighted very fast. So the system itself is very transparent. It gives the transparency of the whole production flow. So it's very visual actually when you have a, let's say, issue in the shop floor, and it brings the issue out, and then we can actually quite fast solve the problem as well. So
I should imagine it needs to be easy and fast used to keep this facility running 24/7. What about in terms of the FastMs and the support they give you? How is that?
It's good. I have to say we have been quite happy about that, and overall they have good competence regarding the automation, and we have a good collaboration with them. So.
And you mentioned the machine tools, so you're going to have historic machine tools, new machine tools, and the ones you've got, you know, the legacy ones and brand new ones coming in. How is that in terms of integration? Because that can sometimes be difficult.
All of our machine tools is integrated to this FMS or the MMS system. So even the standalone machines, all of them are integrated. So we can see utilizations, availability figures, cutting data out of our turning centers, even our grinding machines and so forth. So yeah, we have a full transparency.
But that integration, so if you get a new machine on board, it's very easy for FastM to come in and integrate that, because sometimes there could be issues.
Yeah, obviously it's always some challenge, especially when you have legacy machines, but they have found the solutions to go around that as well. So they can provide solutions for that as well.
I see a big smile on your face there, so they're obviously working very well for you guys.
Yeah, we are happy. So
Excellent.
we have been very pleased with the system. So.
Okay. And then moving forward, it's about data and digitization. How has that helped you in getting all the information?
Well, digitalization obviously nowadays is a buzzword as well. So, but we have basically visibility and transparency. So we have screens here where you can actually see the production flow. I have actually a mobile application where I can actually get the information home as well if you have a machine breakdown or something like that. So it's very fast.
And the information you're getting, how are you using that?
Well, if you have. Typically, when you have, let's say, a disruption in the supply chain flow, and then when you get fast information, then you can actually react as well fast on that. So it brings agility to respond to these kind of situations which you might have, or let's say challenging situations, what you have normally in the supply chain.
Okay, and we mentioned about door to door, so it's essentially billet coming through, delivery of the material all the way through to the final component.
Yep.
And how has FastEMS helped you with that side of things?
Well, as I said, we have a complete system in the shop floor which is manufacturing this MMS, and then it's door to door, and it actually also is integrated into our ERP system, so there is a full connectivity with that. So we can see the whole factory, so workload, capacity for the machine tools, work queues, for example, are the material in which phases is the work orders and so forth.
Excellent. Is there anything else you want to tell us about FastEMS? It sounds like they're working really well with you guys, and you're really, really happy.
Well, we are happy, and we continue the path of development, so hopefully someday we would have transparency as well in the value stream, more upstream, so we could be able to integrate our suppliers as well to the system. So hopefully that would someday happen.